This is a mom texting her daughter from 1,000 miles away. This is a maintenance manager monitoring a factory from a tablet. This is a semiconductor being fabricated in a safe, eco-friendly clean room. This is Parker. This is a shopper consulting with her refrigerator. This is a machine making microelectronics faster, smaller, and more powerful. This is a wristband checking a heart rate. This is a highly connected world. This is fluid and gas handling, sealing and shielding, process filtration, precision metrology, and wafer fabrication, cleaning and polishing. This is Parker in the microelectronics and semiconductor industry, enabling engineering breakthroughs that lead to a better tomorrow. This is Parker.